going to cook butter chicken for my mommy and daddy for their 15th wedding anniversary. So I got 1.5 pounds of boneless chicken thighs. Then to that we will add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Then 2 teaspoons of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of ground red chili powder. All the spices and yogurt have been mixed into the chicken. We will leave this in the fridge overnight for marination. So the chicken has been marinated all night. Now we will take it out of the fridge. In the large pan, we will add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Now the ghee is melted, we will add the marinated chicken into it. We will cook the chicken until the chicken has deep brown color texture. The chicken has been cooked to the deep brown texture that we want. Now we will transfer it to a plate. To this we will add 1/4 of butter, 2 cups of tomato sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir them all together until the tomato sauce thickens. This sauce, we will add 1/4 cup of butter. Two cups of heavy cream. And 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll cook this for the next 10 to 15 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. So the butter chicken is fully cooked. So let's turn this off. It smells so good. So to go with my butter chicken, we're going to cook some basmati rice. I have 2 cups of basmati rice and 2.5 cups of water. So we're going to garnish our butter chicken with some heavy cream. Our basmati rice and butter chicken are done. Bon appetit.
Cover dot. Dot.